I've seen this. Oh man, some of my feedback, and I got to be careful here because I don't want to come across as I'm attacking people, but it frustrates me where you get into a group meeting about driving change on, maybe it may be an artifact or governance or um, resources, whatever that thing is, and you have a group of people giving, I mean, valuable feedback that you can actually make a change, and then you do nothing with it. So now you've wasted my time, the time of others, where if you were going to do that anyway, you should have just done what you were going to do and not even invite us to the, okay, I'm sorry, I'm having flashbacks, family. No, I'm just playing. But seriously though, family, we have to, especially if you're leading a project, you want to be able to create an environment where team members feel safe at proposing changes and improvement. Hey, even if we don't do it on this project, we need to document it and keep it in place so it could be useful for maybe another project manager or our next project.